bigambiro mu rukiko orw'akakiiko ka the National Youth Council orwetabirwamu bakuru b'emyeto kurwa mu districts ezirukora ekyanga kya Toro na Rwenzori orubire rugenderire kushendashenda emyeto kutera akaruru no kuronda obushaki bwa President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni.
The youth that do not involve themselves in voting, and that leads to a low voter turnout. We as youth leaders are saying, no, we are coming to you. We are coming to knock at your doors. We are coming to the trenches so that we go down and mobilize for that vote together. We want to remind you that the education that you enjoyed was offered by Yoweri Kaguta Museveni.
Mathias Kato, Western Region Youth Mobilizer, najangu bagenderire kwegisa emyeto mugasho go kutera karuru no kureba ngwe namba mpango bakwetabamu.
Ab'emyeto abwa region egi ntwetaga tugumize muntu mobilize ngira karuka president kandi buri omwe nakimanti ebiro byokwezi 15 bironi zo mu karuru kandi bironi za kukoma muzeyi his excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni. Nicyo tukwetagira nk'emyeto abebembezi ba district na nabandi kugenda mpaka hansi bagaruka mu district gabo.
We are cooking. We are hyping up our people. We are hyping up our youth leaders, getting ready for the 15th. We are going to score hands down. We are going to hit them flat out with a 75% for Yoweri Kaguta Museveni.
Emma Businge omwezi wa RCC awa Fort Portal City nagira ngu obutatera karuru nikimanyisa ngu wayihaho obugabe bw'okworekaho orukwenda ihanga ryawe ryorekerere.
Wire bwenyuma ensinganto zikizire muno kutajumbira okoma nyaburenyo nimbaterera abako muri amutakomere mujya kwa muhayire abantu abandi obugisa kubakomera kandi ati it is very risky kuba asako mu muntu watarakoze ibintu bitagondeze kugira ngo ihanga
obwiro bwingi ensonga habwake ba youth batakuba involved mu karuru nabagera binkwatire no butamanya by the way aba youth nabagera no tukoma nibiyamba aba tukomere baitu nyonkanya ba youth nimbaterera given that twino obwiro bwingi kuba muri Uganda obwebembezi kintu kikuru muno nubuditaminingo buherezo bwo kwiza kutunga
Gasha kwa Jonan Tusingwire.